Hey there, this is Coach Elisa. Just finished day 4 of Max 30, and we did again Tabata Power. And I've already been sore since yesterday from Tuesday's Tabata Power, and so today I really was like, oh gosh, I don't know how far I can max out. I'm so sore in my deltoids, my triceps, that I didn't think I could. I didn't think I'd surpass my original max time, but I actually did. On Tuesday with Tabata Power, I maxed out at 10:10 because of this tricep push-ups. But I got actually 30 seconds longer at 10:40 today. So cool. I didn't think I could go above and beyond, especially because today I woke up with a really sore throat and I'm fighting the cold that everyone's having. So I did not really want to press play, but even if you're a little sick, you can still put in a little bit of effort, press play, do a 20-minute walk. You never know how you're going to feel afterwards. At first it's like, I don't want to, I need to sleep. Sleep is good, but also it's good to get your blood flowing, circulating. I feel a little less congested, and which is awesome. So now I'm going to go make some tea. I get my apple cider vinegar and honey on, and hopefully that will help the voce. And then I will see you guys tomorrow for more updates on my journey with Max 30. If you're interested in doing this along with me as my accountability partner, please let me know. I would love to have you join my team and be here for each other. I am doing this alongside everyone else with the struggles, with the ups and the downs. I'm looking for more accountability partners because the more the merrier. It makes it a lot more fun when you have people on your team and rooting for you. All right, just let me know. Connect with me via Facebook or email, and I'll get back to you about that, okay? All right, ciao for now. Mwah.